Welcome students in online class for subject physics for 12th standard. Today we have seen chapter number 14, dual nature of radiation and matter. In this chapter we have seen wave particle duality of wave. So we know that material particle shows wave. Material particle shows wave nature. Such phenomenon is called wave particle duality of matter. We know that omega, that is frequency, k, that is wave number. Sometimes it will be 1 upon lambda. They are used to describe the wave in classical theory, whereas mass of particle, momentum of particle, they are used to describe the particle. Means in classical theory, frequency and wave number are used, whereas mass and momentum, they are used to describe the particle. Therefore, duality implies moving particle have associated with momentum. Means momentum is equal to mass into velocity. So the moving particle, they are associated with momentum and are used to describe wave particle. Means the particle, they are described in the form of wave. So wave particle duality implies that all moving particles, they are associated with frequency. Means this frequency, all particles are associated with frequency and they are associated with wave number. So we can say that all wave has associated with energy and associated with momentum. Means all waves have associated with energy and momentum. Therefore, due to quantum behavior, we can deal macroscopic or microscopic object whose size will be very less, that is 10 raised to minus 6 meter. If all material objects are in motion have associated with wavelength, so we say that they are associated with wave. For this explanation, we have to consider an example. A child running with speed v on a path of 2 meter wide, 2 meter wide, or a car is moving with speed v 20 kilometer per hour on a road of 20 meter wide. To understand this, let us calculate the quantities. Suppose a student weighing 45 kg is running with a speed of 8 kilometer per hour on a footpath of 2 meter wide. So, in this example, we can say that mass of student will be 45 kg. Then velocity, first it will be 8 kilometer per hour, means 8 into 1000 meter divided by 60 minute into 60 second. 0 get cancel, 0 get cancel. So here 80 upon 36 meter per second. So momentum for the student will be m1 v1 or m into v1. So what happened? This is, suppose we can say that m1. So here 45 into 80 upon 36. So what happened? We know that 4 into 20, that is 80. 4 into 9, that is 36. 9 1 the 9 5 the 45. So it is 100 kg meter per second. So de Broglie's wavelength will be lambda 1 is equal to h upon p1, that is 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 upon 100. That will be 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 36 meter. Minus 36 meter. Suppose this is a one example for student weighing 45 kg is running with a speed of 8 km per hour on a footpath of 2 meter wide. Similarly, a car weighing 1200 kg is moving with a speed of 60 km per hour on a 20 meter wide road. So its de Broglie's wavelength will be, so here mass of car, suppose it is m2, will be 1200 kg. Velocity v2 will be 60 kilometer per hour, means 60 multiplied by 1000 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60. What happen? 60 get cancel, 0 get cancel. So we say that 100 upon 6 or 50 upon 3 meter per second. So that momentum of car P2, that is M2 V2. So M2 is 1200 multiplied by 50 upon 3. What happen? 3 1 the 3, 3 4 the 12, 400. So it is 20,000 kg meter per second. 20,000 kg meter per second. So that de Broglie's wavelength for car, it will be h upon p2. It is 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 divided by 20,000. So what happened? See here, 6.63 upon 2 into 10 to the power minus 34 into 10 to the power minus 4. So what happened? 3.315 into 10 to the power minus 38 kilogram meter per meter. So from these two wavelength, a student having moving with speed of 8 km per hour, its de Broglie's wavelength will be 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 36 meter. And whereas a car which is moving with speed of 60 km per hour on 20 meter wide road, its de Broglie's wavelength, it will be 3.315 into 10 raised to minus 38 meter. So from these two wavelengths, the numbers are negligible as compared to size of moving object, as well as width of path on which object are moving. See here, in first example, footpath will be 2 meter wide, and in second example, road surface will be 20 meter wide. Therefore, wavelength associated with macroscopic or microscopic particles do not play any significant role in everyday life. So we need not consider wave nature. Also, wavelength of macroscopic particles are very small and they cannot be measured. On other hand, if we try to calculate associated with de Broglie's wavelength, moving electron passing through a small aperture of size 10 raised to minus 10 meter or oxygen molecule in air. So we want to find and considering the another example. See here, consider another example. The another example will be calculate de Broglie's wavelength of electron moving with calculate moving with kinetic energy 100 electron volt passing through a circular hole of diameter 2 angstrom unit. See here, in this example, if we can see, kinetic energy is given. Kinetic energy is equal to 100 electron volt, which is equal to 100 multiplied by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 joule. So we can say that 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 17 joule. De Broglie's wavelength will be calculated, and given that diameter, it will be 2 angstrom unit. So we know that kinetic energy. For finding kinetic energy, we can see that kinetic energy of particle, it will be half mv square. So v square is equal to 2 times kinetic energy upon m. V equal to square root of 2 times kinetic energy upon m. For electron, mass of electron, it will be 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31 kg. So if we substitute this value, what happen? Square root of 2 multiplied by 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 17 divided by 9.1 into 10 raised to minus 31. So what happen? Minus 31 is shifted. It will be 3.2 upon 9.1 into 10 to the power 14, because minus 31 it gets plus 31, and in 31 we can subtract 17. So here if we can calculate 3.2 upon 9.1, log of numerator, log of denominator, its characteristics will be 0. So 32, its log will be 5051, and 91, its log will be 9590. So when subtracted, 1 is there, 6 is remaining, from 10 4 is remaining, from 15 5 is remaining, and 1 bar will be characteristics, or it will be minus 1 given. So antilog for 0.54 in 6, it will be square root of 3.598 into 10 to the power minus 1 into 10 to the power 14. 14 and minus 1, it gets 13. So we cannot find out its square root. For finding square root, shifted the decimal point. It is 35.98 into 10 raised to minus 2, because minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 into 10 raised to 14. So if we take square root of 35.98, its square root will be v is equal to 5.999 into 10 to the power, here 10 to the power 12, and half of 12, it will be 6 meter per second. If we can find out momentum, it will be mass into velocity. So this will be 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 into 5.999 into 10 to the power 6. If approximately, it can be taken as 6. Suppose we can taken as 6. So what happened? 6 1 the 6 and 6 9 the 54. So here 54.6 into 10 to the power minus 25 kg meter per second. It will be kg meter per second. So what happen? If we can take here, decimal point is shifted here, so it will be 5.46 into 10 to the power minus 24 kg meter per second. This will also correct, this will also correct. This is linear momentum. But we can find out de Broglie's wavelength. So here for finding de Broglie's wavelength, we can see here lambda is equal to h upon p. So value of h, it will be 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 divided by 5.46 into 10 to the power minus 24. If minus 24 is shifted numerator, it will be plus 24. So 6.63 upon 5.46 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. If we can calculate by using logarithmic table, it will be, so it will be 0 point numerator characteristics, 0 point denominator characteristics. So 8215, and here if we take log, that is 737672. So by subtracting, 3 will be there, 4 is remaining, 800. If we take its antilog, for antilog it will be, for antilog 0.08 in 4, 0.08 in 4, that is 1213, and in 3 that will be 1. That answer will be 1.214 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter. So wavelength, it will be 1.214 into 10 raised to minus 10 meter, that is 1.214 angstrom unit. In this example, wavelength of electron is comparatively size of hole through which electron is easily passing, because size of hole, that will be diameter having 2 angstrom unit. So this wavelength of the electron moving, that will be easily pass. So therefore wavelength associated with electron is same as size of helium and more as size of hydrogen atom. Means for helium atom, its size will be 1.4 angstrom unit, means 1.4 pico, 140 picometer. And for hydrogen atom size, it will be 0.53 angstrom unit, because we can see the size, radius of orbit in hydrogen atom in the chapter structure of atom. It is 0.53. So it will be 53 picometer, and therefore size of helium atom is more or double the size of hydrogen atom. It will be double or it will be more.